is Iman here. Today our topic is about that how we can get best keywords. So today we're going to see how can we find low competition keywords for your website. Let's you have a website and you want to content to rank on Google. So if you create content with a random topic or keyword which all they has a lot of competition, then there is a good chance your content will never appear in search result. There is a bigger site which have already covered that keywords. So first of all, we'll discuss about that what are keywords. So let's start. We'll go on YouTube. Here is an example of keywords. So let's research about that how we can create a legal account on eBay, or how we can how we can earn online. Okay, these all are called keyword research. Research keywords are basically these keywords are searching a lot in 2022 at their time. So go to the site. So you make a content appear on your search result. This is the biggest way to create your own content. You need to find a keyword which has a low competition and create content for that keyword. So in this video we're going to see that how you can find a low competition keyword for your website which can be easily ranked on Google. So let's start to find how a competition keyword can be searched. So there are 3 steps about it. The first step is that find a keyword which people are searching for related to your website. Suppose that you have a website and people are searching about that website. For example, I search about that. Um, I have a website about ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels is a keyword research keyword. These all are results of researching. This is the top website which is ranking on the top by Google. This is called ranking. So our basic funda is that we want to rank our website on the top. So as I have told you that we find a keyword which people are searching for related to your website. For this, let's open a new tab. And go to the keyword io.io. Now, now this you will get this page. This is the site which is going to help you to find a keyword. This is the site that will help you find a keyword. So now here you will enter your keyword or enter your website topic. Suppose I enter here gaming laptop, and then click on this search. So you can see that we have got a list of all these keywords which people search for related our content. So this is a term that we people are using commonly on Google, like this one. These all are keywords which are searching by people related to gaming laptop. So The second step is that select the keyword for which you want to write the content. Like as I am selected that gaming laptop, this is my keyword that I will want to write about my content with gaming laptop. So pick a topic which you want, or you can easily write about your blogs, write about that keyword research, and write that like in gaming laptop. I want to write a blog on gaming laptop. That this choose the best or easy content that you can write. So step 3 is that find the competition of these keywords. So that is too much easier that how we can find out. So this is this is about that keyword competition keywords. There are two steps to create an account on SEO tool called EW Finder. So for that purpose we will open a new tab and go to the keyword. Sorry, KW Finder. KW Finder. Here we can create our own account easily. Find long tail keywords with low SEO difficulties. So you need to write a content like here we can create our own account. Then you start 10-day free trial. This here you can put your email, your password, then password again, confirm your password, and then you find out about Bengalis member, and this is a way of this is the method of creating your account. The next one thing is that again find that KW Finder. Click on the first site. They are providing us SEO tools, knowledge, pricing, sign in, enter the keyword research about the competition, competitive keyword is keyword. Here we search like gaming laptop. Find a keyword. So this will find our own keyword. So you need to write a content, like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And I hope so you understand. There is a internet problem, I think so. So next, if you like and appreciate my video, so please like and subscribe for more videos like this. I will show this is the method that how we can search about that competitive keywords. I have also explained about keyword I.io or KW Finder. So I will see you in the next video. So thank you.